Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today I'm going to present you about Cristiano Ronaldo and his girlfriend. Now I'm going to present you about Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Serie club Juventus and captains the Portugal national team. Often considered the best player in the world and widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time, Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Or awards and 4 European Golden Shoes, both of which are records for a European player. He has won 31 major trophies in his career, including 7 league titles, 5 UEFA Champions Leagues, 1 UEFA European Championship, and 1 UEFA Nations League title. Ronaldo holds the records for the most goals, 134, and assists, 40, in the history of the UEFA Champions League. He is one of the few recorded players to have made over 1,000 professional career appearances and has scored over 770 official senior career goals for a club and country. He is also the second male to score 100 international goals and the first European one to achieve the feat. Born and raised in Madeira, Ronaldo began his senior club career playing for Sporting CP, before signing with Manchester United in 2003, aged 18. After winning the FA Cup in his first season, he helped United win 3 successive Premier League titles, the UEFA Champions League, and the FIFA Club World Cup. At age 23, he won his first Ballon d'Or. In 2009, Ronaldo was the subject of the then most expensive association football transfer when signed for Real Madrid in a transfer worth €94 million, £80 million. There, he won 15 trophies, including 2 La Liga titles, 2 Copas del Rey, and 4 UEFA Champions League titles, and became the club's all-time top goal scorer. After joining Madrid, Ronaldo finished runner-up for the Ballon d'Or 3 times, behind Lionel Messi, his perceived career rival, before winning back-to-back Ballons d'Or from 2013 to 2014 and again from 2016 to 2017. After winning a 3rd consecutive Champions League title in 2018, Ronaldo became the first player to win the trophy 5 times. In 2018, he signed for Juventus in a transfer worth an initial €100 million, £88 million, the highest fee ever paid by an Italian club and the highest ever paid for a player over 30 years old. He won the Serie A title in his first 2 seasons with the club. Ronaldo made his senior international debut for Portugal in 2003 at age 18, and has since earned over 170 caps, including appearing and scoring in 10 major tournaments, becoming Portugal's most capped player and his country's all-time top goal scorer. He scored his first international goal at Euro 2004, where he helped Portugal reach the final and assumed full captaincy of the national team in July 2008. In 2015, Ronaldo was named the best Portuguese player of all time by the Portuguese Football Federation. The following year he led Portugal to their first triumph in a major tournament by winning Euro 2016, and received the Silver Boot as the second highest goal scorer of the tournament. One of the most marketable and famous athletes in the world, Ronaldo was ranked the world's highest paid athlete by Forbes in 2016 and 2017, and the world's most famous athlete by ESPN from 2016 to 2019. Time included him on their list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2014. Ronaldo is the first footballer, as well as only the 3rd sportsman, to earn $1 billion in their career.
Hi Michael. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to present you about Ronaldo's girlfriend. Georgina was born and raised in a city called Jaca in the province of Huesca. Her parents are Ana Maria Hernandez and Jorge Rodriguez. According to The Sun, her father is a convicted cocaine trafficker. The Argentine has spent 10 years in prison in his life, first being jailed in 2003. He was sentenced to 11 years then for masterminding a failed plot to smuggle more than £100,000 worth of 83% pure cocaine from Spain to France. After being freed in 2008, he was soon back inside for smuggling £1 million of cannabis resin from Morocco to Spain with accomplices. For that, he got a 2-year term and was freed in 2013. Georgina grew up in Jaca for most of her life, which is the place where she also received her earlier education. Later, Rodriguez moved to London to study the English language as well as dancing. Rodriguez worked as a waitress in her hometown. She has also worked as an au pair while studying in England. After leaving England, she started working at a Gucci store in Madrid. Rodriguez became a model and wrote for Grazia, Men's Health, Women's Health, Glamour, Yamame, and others. In July 2020, Rodriguez signed a 5-figure Instagram deal with Pretty Little Thing. She joined stars like Kourtney Kardashian and Molly May Hague, who have worked as ambassadors for PLT. In an interview with Hola, Georgina said that she is a very family-oriented person. She likes kids, animals, and being out in nature. She is the kind of person who likes to surround herself with people that make her a better person. She often exercises with her partner, Cristiano Ronaldo, at his house. As a dancer, she is a practitioner of salsa. Georgina has claimed that her first meeting with the football star in 2016 was love at first sight. Our first meeting was at Gucci, where I worked as a sales assistant, she recalled in an interview with The Sun. Days later, we saw each other again at another brand's event. It was then that we could talk in a relaxed atmosphere, outside my work environment. It was love at first sight for both. Their second meeting was while attending an event for Dolce & Gabbana, and Georgina caught the eye of attendee Cristiano Ronaldo in the VIP area of the event. Ronaldo badly wanted to meet her. Shortly thereafter, the two started dating in secret. In November of 2016, the two were spotted together publicly for the first time walking around Disneyland in France. Cristiano did the best he could to hide his identity through a disguise that he wore for most of the entire outing. Ultimately, he was discovered by an Italian press which noticed of Georgina, a girl no one in the media had ever seen with Ronaldo before. Once the secret was out, the couple began to attend events together. She has also been spotted attending some of the home games in Madrid to show her support. In August 2020, Rodriguez and Ronaldo sparked engagement rumors. On August 22, the couple shared the same romantic portrait on Instagram. Yes, Georgina wrote on her page with a red rose emoji. Ronaldo posted, "Mi amor." Rodriguez also posted a picture showing off a large sapphire diamond on her ring finger. In July of 2017, her pregnancy was announced to the world 1 month after Ronaldo had twins, Matteo and Eva via surrogate. On November 12, 2017, she gave birth to her first daughter named Alana Martina. On the day, Ronaldo posted a picture on Instagram, writing, "Alana Martina is just born. Both Gio and Alana are doing great. We are all very happy." Alana makes her the fourth and youngest child of Ronaldo. Moments after the birth, the couple, along with Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., were all in an Instagram live video together. A photo of the two Ronaldos posing for a photo with Georgina, who holds the newborn Alana, surfaced online.
That's all about Ronaldo and his girlfriend. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dance Rian, in order to get more videos. Thank you.